Hey everyone, how's it going? So there's a lot going on right now about washing hands and making sure you're staying healthy. So I want to show you guys how to draw a picture of washing your hands. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the fingers. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then it's just going to kind of come back down like this for a thumb. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's just going to come back down for a finger. And then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around and come back. I'm going to make another one right here. And then I'll do a small pinky right here, and as I curve this, I'm just going to curve it back to here. Then, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve here, and another one that's going to curve right to here for the arm. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to go down and then kind of curve in for a little bar of soap. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve to here. And then I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw another thumb. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up. It's just going to kind of come down to right about here. And then I'm going to make a little line right there. And then I'm just going to draw a little line right up here for another finger. Now, right around here, I want to make some soap. So I'm just going to draw some bumpy little lines right around here that just kind of form some soap because you want to make sure you have your hands nice and soapy. So I'm just going to add some little soap right there. And then right above here, I want to draw the faucet. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of go out and then it's going to curve down like this. I'm going to make a line that's going to come back or go over and then curve up. Then I'm just going to start here and draw a line that goes down and I'm going to curve it right to here. Then I'm going to make a little kind of oval shape that curves around here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of go up and back down. Two little lines here, kind of like form a little square shape. I'm going to draw a little circle on top. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line here and then a little curved line here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and I'm just going to kind of make some wavy lines on it just to form the water. And then I'm just going to put some more kind of wavy lines down here for some more water. And then I'm just going to draw some little circles around here for bubbles that are coming off of the soap. And there you go. There is your drawing of washing your hands. And as Miami is showing you, it's important to wash your paws as well. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.